Hello guys! Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 best useful Amazon kitchen gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks. So let's start the video. Number 5. The 60-minute wind-up timer by ColorTrack is a reliable and functional tool that caters to a wide range of needs. Its sleek black color gives it a professional and sophisticated look, making it suitable for various settings. Crafted from durable plastic, this timer is built to last and withstand daily use. Measuring at 5 inches in diameter, 6 inches in width, and 2 inches in height, the dimensions of this timer make it compact and portable, allowing for easy storage and transportation. Weighing just 3.2 ounces, it is lightweight and convenient to carry around, making it ideal for use in different environments. The 60-minute duration offered by this wind-up timer.
Number 4. As an experienced product marketing expert, I've had the opportunity to use the Cheffen Fresh Force Citrus Juicer, and I must say it has exceeded my expectations. The Cheffen Fresh Force Citrus Juicer, in its striking yellow color, not only adds a vibrant touch to any kitchen, but also delivers remarkable performance. One standout feature of this product is its innovative design that incorporates a stainless steel finish, making it both durable and stylish. The compact dimensions of 3.25 inches in diameter, 10.25 inches in width, and 2.75 inches in height make it easy to store and handle. What sets the Cheffen Fresh Force Citrus Juicer apart is its special feature, being dishwasher safe. This not only simplifies the cleaning process, but also ensures hygiene and convenience for the users. Whether you're squeezing lemons, limes, oranges, or other citrus fruits, this juicer efficiently extracts juice with minimal effort. Overall, the Cheffen Fresh Force Citrus Juicer is a top-quality product.
Number 3. The OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Soap Dispenser is a sleek and functional addition to any kitchen or bathroom. Made with high-quality stainless steel, silicone, and plastic materials, this dispenser is not only durable, but also stylish. The stainless steel finish gives it a modern look that complements any decor. Measuring at 3.5L into 3W into 7.5H, this dispenser is compact enough to fit in tight spaces while still holding a generous amount of soap. The PVC-free material ensures that it is safe for everyday use and eco-friendly. What sets this dispenser apart is its Good Grips feature, which provides a comfortable and secure grip when dispensing soap. This makes it easy to use for people of all ages. Additionally, the pump mechanism is smooth and efficient, ensuring that you get the right amount of soap every time without any waste. Overall, the OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Soap Dispenser is a top-notch product that combines style, functionality, and
Number 2. The Cuisinart Chopper is a reliable kitchen tool that offers convenience and efficiency for food preparation. With dimensions of 3.75L into 318U into 975H, this chopper is compact yet powerful. Made of stainless steel in a sleek black color, it adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart Chopper is its manual operation, allowing you to have full control over the chopping process. The stainless steel blade ensures durability and precision in cutting, while the square blade shape enhances efficiency. This chopper is recommended for cheese, making it perfect for preparing delicious cheese platters or toppings for your favorite dishes. To maintain its quality, hand washing is recommended for product care. With an item weight of 13.6 ounces, the Cuisinart Chopper is lightweight and easy to handle. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a cooking enthusiast, this chopper is a versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal, making food preparation.
Number 1. The Taylor Mechanical Kitchen. Weighing Food Scale offers a reliable and convenient solution for accurately measuring ingredients in your kitchen. With a maximum weight capacity of 11 pounds, this scale is suitable for a wide range of cooking and baking needs. The sleek design in black and silver colors adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. The mechanical function of this scale ensures consistent and precise measurements without the need for batteries or a power source. The LCD display provides easy-to-read measurements, making it simple to track the weight of your ingredients as you cook or bake. The intuitive design and user-friendly interface make this scale suitable for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Whether you are following a recipe that requires precise measurements or simply looking to maintain portion control, the Taylor Mechanical Kitchen. Weighing Food Scale is a versatile tool to have in your culinary arsenal. Its durability and accuracy make it a reliable,